I'm going to show you how to add subtitles on YouTube to help you get more video views and watch time. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sara Nguyen, here to help you grow your business with video and social media design. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips. To create subtitles, and the best way, in my opinion, is to use an AI subtitle service. Yep, a robot. I personally use Happyscribe.com and Temi.com because, I like to have options. They're cheap at around 20 cents per minute captioned, and the accuracy is actually pretty good. You can get the transcript back in minutes, not hours, unlike other services like Rev.com. Ain't nobody got time for that. Now, to create a subtitle with Happyscribe, I'm going to show you how right now. Now, to add your transcript and create one or your caption in Happyscribe, what you want to do is you want to take the link of your video and go into Happyscribe, and we're going to click on New File here. And then we're going to go to Subtitles. I'm going to click on here, Link, and then paste the link to import it in. And you can see here, I get to choose some preferences. So I go with UK English, but you've got also US English and other languages here as well. So pick the one that's relevant to you. I'm also going to select machine generated here so that it gets the AI to do the transcription for me, and then click on submit. Now, it's going to do its thing, and once it's ready, I'm going to get an email notification. Once it's done, I'll see it in my transcript section. So I'm going to go in and click on it so I can start to edit it. Now, it's really, really easy to edit the transcript here. And for the most part, it's actually pretty good. So you just simply click on the section, add and change the text. So it spelt my name wrong here. I'm going to go in and delete that, and just scroll through the rest of the tutorial and fix the mistakes that it has. But I have actually found it to be pretty good, and it was really quick to go through. Now, once I'm ready and I've made all of the changes that I want, I click on download on the top right-hand corner here. And then I want to export it, the subtitles only. And then I'm going to go, yep, that's the right format, the .srt, and download the file. And this is the file that we're going to upload back into YouTube. And it's downloaded it there. So now back in your actual video, we're going to go in and edit it. So let's go in and edit the video. We want to go to the subtitle section here, click on that. And then we're going to click here, and we're going to go add language. I'm going to select English, UK, or US, whatever's relevant to you. I'm doing US so I can add this and show you an example of it. And then we're going to go subtitles. So I'm going to click on add. And here is where I go upload file. And this is the file with timing. I'm going to select that one and continue. And then I'm going to choose that file from my desktop. And I just need to scroll through, and I can play it and make sure that it's appearing correctly where it should be. Otherwise, I would simply make the little changes through here and then click publish. And that's it. And then it will appear here in the video subtitles section. YouTube will add an automated caption here, and I always delete it, and I've already deleted it here. But to delete subtitles, all you would do is go into this section, hover over these three dots here, and then delete them. And that will get rid of the subtitles if you've uploaded the wrong one, or if you want to delete the automatic one. I do that so that there's no question on which subtitles people want to choose. Subtitles make your videos more accessible and allow viewers to consume your content regardless of their hearing ability. And subtitles really also help YouTube to understand the content of your videos and more accurately match your videos to what users are searching for in YouTube and Google search. And this boosts the visibility of your content and helps you get more video views. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please hit the like button for me and let me know in the comment section below what other YouTube training you'd like to learn about. I love making these videos for you. In the meantime, why don't you check out my YouTube training playlist for more tutorials? Or if you're struggling to come up with what to say in your YouTube videos, you'll definitely want my 5 swipeable YouTube scripts. They'll help you come up with content for your videos that grabs your viewers' attention and increases your YouTube watch time. You can check them out by clicking on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.